this lesson, we're going to learn WC command. WC stands for word count, and this command allows to count the number of words, characters, lines, and bytes of each file on Linux or Unix-like operating system. Firstly, let us type cat n m file in the right terminal. Then type in WC m file. In here, first number of 40 represents a lines count of m file. Then second one, 353, represents word counts on here. And the last 2625 represents characters or bytes count on this m file. So it means one character is equal to 1 byte. We can display lines, words, and characters or bytes specifically by typing WC-L means lines, and m file. As you can see, we have 40 lines here. Type in WC and V means words, then m file. It will display words count in m file. Then WC-C m file displays characters, or WC-M and m file will display bytes count. If we type WC-uppercase L, then m file, it will print us the length of longest line. We'll see it in next example. To count the multiple files, type in WC colors.txt, fruits.txt, then m file. As you can see, it displayed all 3 files with line, word, and character or byte counts. We can see here the total result of these 3 files as well. Let's type WC uppercase L, then colors.txt, and fruits.txt, then m file, to see the maximum length of a line between these 3 files. The shortest is colors.txt with 15 lines, and the longest is m file with 75 lines. As you can see, total is 75 lines. It means which file is longest, the total displays that one. If we go back the same command again using up arrow, and I'll exclude m file, then hitting enter, colors again 15 lines, and fruits.txt is 39 lines. As you can see here, total displayed fruit.txt as the longest one because the lines is 39 and total takes 39 as well. So this is end of our lesson. See you in the next lesson. Bye.